everyone, so today in this video I've got a haul video to show you because I haven't done a haul video in ages, and I received a package from SUPERDRUG today, and I thought I'd show you some other things that I recently got from other places. So I want to show you this. This is so cute. So this is a bronzer. It's by Kiko, and it is so pretty. Wearing it today. It's really nice for my light skin tone, shall we say, and it is called Charming Escape Silky Bronzer in Tender Honey. And like, the packaging is so pretty. Look at that, it's so cute. I love that. I've been using it non-stop. What else? Other things that I got from SUPERDRUG, but not in this package that's down here. I got the IRL Skin Filter Pore Blur Primer. I'm wearing this for the first time today, and it doesn't mix well with this. So I have been at work all day, and yeah, this doesn't go well with it. It seems to have, I don't know, not mixed well with the foundation. So I'll try a different foundation next time. But yeah, I'm going to actually try the IRL foundation. I have that somewhere, but I can't remember where I put it. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, the IRL foundation hopefully would work better with this. So yeah, I got this in F05, and it's like one of the only foundations that is light enough for my skin tone. So yes. What else do I have? I ordered one of these. It's one of the massive 200ml Matte Fix Revolution setting sprays. It's pretty good. Okay, I just got it because it was big and it was cheap. Because I get discount in SUPERDRUG now, which is pretty good. I do like getting staff discount in SUPERDRUG, even though I don't work in SUPERDRUG. So yeah, I also got this, which is the Super Dewy liquid blusher. What shade is this? Is it Flush? I think it was. Fake the Flush, I think it's called. But I have this kind of up here today. Really nice. Very, very nice. I think that's everything to show you on here. But my other SUPERDRUG package came today, and it arrived in two separate things. Some things from my mum, and then this was in there, but this is mine. This was free if you spent over £15, I think it was, on SUPERDRUG. Not SUPERDRUG, Revolution. I have a new mic, and I don't know how it is. I just wanted it to be louder because I know that my videos are super quiet, but I don't feel like this is the best quality microphone. So I might invest in a better one. I don't know yet, but we will see. Anyway, yeah, I got this for spending over £15 on Revolution. This is called the Icons Pink Party. And let's have a look, because I haven't looked at it yet. So we got a little, oh, that's so cute, a little Lasting Hold Sport Fix setting spray. Really cute. We got a Pout Bomb little lip gloss. And then we have a little mini Revolution eyeshadow palette. Cute. And then the tiniest little baby translucent setting powder. How cute is that? Adorable. Absolutely adorable. Lovely. So, now I'm going to open the other package, which is this one. I'm going to try and not show you my address. Sorry, I'm putting stuff in front of the microphone, and it's going to be terrible quality, I know it is. So I do apologise in advance. I hope it's okay. Anyway, some more of my mum's stuff is in here. So she gets the nice and easy 3 tones and highlights. This is Ultra Light Cool Summer Blonde. She gets all this stuff from SUPERDRUG now that I get discount, so yeah. And then there's a bunch of stuff in here. So I got a little makeup bag just because I wanted, I don't know, I find getting the perfect size makeup bag, I find it really, really difficult, and I thought this looked really nice. So it's just a little one, and you get a little mirror in it as well. It's not massive, it's not huge, it's not too small. I think that that is like the perfect size little makeup bag. Okay, there's a load of stuff in here. Stuff has lost lids. Okay, more setting spray. I'm obsessed with setting spray. So I already have 2 of these, but these were on offer at, I think 2 for £6, I think it were, but then I got like a 40% discount as well. So these are the Studio London by SUPERDRUG You Do You Setting Mist. Lightweight Dewy Fix. As I said, I already have one of these. I use it all the time. So I got backups of those. I usually get 30% off. Now it is 20% off own brand. No, 40% off own brand. What am I talking about? I'm putting stuff in front of the microphone. Again, I do apologise. Another setting spray. This one is the Hydrate and Fix setting spray. Radiance Makeup Fixing Spray. Long wear, oil control, and hyaluronic acid. I do love a good setting spray. I have all of them. I have another setting spray. I didn't realise I had ordered this many setting sprays. This one is the Infinite 16-hour long wear conceal and define setting spray. Do we think that I have bought enough setting sprays? I did not realise that I'd ordered this many setting sprays. Then I have these. These are little, they're like, oh, what were they called? What was the brand called? Pop Bands, was it? I can't remember, but they made these, but then other brands sort of ripped them off, but I wanted some more of these because I think that they're so good. They don't damage your hair, and yeah, perfect. And then I have a couple of other bits in here, which they've kindly put in some bubble wrap, and they have arrived intact. Woo! So I have the Revolution, what is this called? Highlighter Reloaded Peach Lights. So that's that. I got a lip liner because I like this lip liner specifically. It's the Satin Kiss lip liner. And then I got this. I'm hitting the microphone again. I'm sorry. This is the Streamline eyeliner in black. This is specifically for your waterline. I struggle to get eyeliners to stay on my waterline. So, yes. So that is everything. Essentially, this is my video of all of my setting sprays, where I will just show you all of them. It's ridiculous how many setting sprays I own. Like, it's ridiculous. I'm sure there's more around here somewhere. I can see another one, but it's under something else. So yeah. I like setting sprays. What can I say? Sorry. So yeah, that is my little haul of many, many setting sprays. Which, how many setting sprays do I have in this video alone? Oh, that's a setting spray as well. I have all of the setting sprays. They are all here. All of them. I have a lot. I have issues. I have setting spray issues. So yeah, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching me and all of my setting sprays. Wish you a good day. Adios.